So you all may vacuum your carpets regularly, but how well are you really cleaning the surface? I talked with Joel Steed of Zerorez KC and have some pro tips to share. So Joel, how often should people clean carpets?
Everybody's a little bit different. Carpet manufacturers usually require a cleaning, a hot water extraction cleaning done every 12 to 18 months. But everybody's a little different. You can kind of scale it back depending on who's in your house. I have a dog and two young girls. And so I get it done at least twice a year, truthfully, usually one planned and one an emergency.
Sure, it's one of those questions, how messy are you, right? How much are you spilling? And obviously that is something you fully take care of with Zerorez. So let's talk about that. Why should we use Zerorez?
Yeah, so your traditional steam cleaners or hot water extraction cleaners use a lot of soaps and shampoos to do that cleaning. What we use is our powered water. It's a high alkaline water that only Zerorez can use without leaving anything behind.
What makes your powered water so great?
Yeah, so it's a high alkaline water. So everything under your kitchen sink, all those pre-treatments people are going to use on the carpet are going to be a high alkaline. So it's how you fight soils, stains, oils, dirt in the carpet. Only our water, it's done without using any of those harsh chemicals. So it's very effective cleaning, but also very safe.
All right, Joel, so I'm a big fan of the whole seeing is believing. So can you give us a little demo?
Yeah, absolutely. So hopefully you can see this here. I've got two cups of water here. One is our powered water. One is just regular tap water. Iodine going in is about the worst thing you could possibly spill on carpet. But just to show you what our water is going to do, it breaks that down right away. Whereas a regular tap water doesn't do anything. So you're still stuck with a brown water. You would be able to break that down. The only way to do it would be using soaps and shampoos. Our water is going to do it automatically. So a lot of people think we're just using water, but it's absolutely not true. That high alkaline water really breaks those things down, allows us to extract it out.
Keeping those carpets clean. Now here's a special offer. You can actually schedule today and get 3 rooms of your carpet cleaned for $119. Plus, you'll get a 4th area cleaned for free. Just make sure to use the code KCTV. Now, to make an appointment with Joel and his team and to take advantage of that special offer, just head on over to zerorezkc.com or call 816-425-3655. Now, again, you have to schedule today to get that 4th area cleaned for free.